Krishna. Good morning. GK page of Bhaona artist. Welcome to everyone. Hello, youngsters. Can you imagine Assam Assembly at present without Akhil Gogoi? Whole Assam government or Assam establishment is swirling around only two persons. One is Akhil Gogoi and second one is Hemanta Biswa Sharma. Many controversies are generating regarding re-election of Akhil Gogoi from Sibsagar for fielding two candidates from allied camp, one from AGP, one from BJP. Same thing happened once in 17th in Mangalde constituency. Even Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru wanted re-election of Hemborua, but he was unfortunately defeated by Assamese singer Bhupen Hazarika. He engineered the split of the voters. Now, secondly, that I have got news for demise of Assamese actress Probi Sharma. Great tribute to her. May give her good award. Thank you, everyone.